Time Tracker. It's a free application on Cireson App Store. Now, this application adds the ability to see time on various different work items other than incidents. So if I open up a problem in the SASM console, go to time worked, here I can see I've got a control here to add time worked. So I could say that I've worked on this particular problem for 1 hour. You can see that it adds my related time worked here as my analyst, who I am, and the time worked. Apply and OK. Now, a common question that we get is, will we have Time Tracker for the Cireson portal? Take a look. So out of the box, I've opened up PR3238, and if I do refresh here, you'll see that I don't have any tab here specifically for time. If I go to resolution, I don't see any time information as well. So why is that? Well, what we tended to do with the out-of-the-box forms within the Cireson portal is to match one-for-one feature with the out-of-the-box SASM console experience. So since the SASM console experience only provides time tracker for incident, it's the incidents that we will only show time information. Matter of fact, if I open up an incident here, and if I go to resolution, this is where we have our time worked control. Okay, so what do we need to do in order to get time worked on other work items? So let's go to my work here. Let's go and pick on this PR3238 work item. Now, what I want to do is I want to add a new tab up here called Time Worked, or I'm going to call it Time Management. And I'm going to add that to the problem form. So how do we do this? Well, this is quite simple. And by the way, I want to make sure everybody realizes that you don't necessarily need the Time Tracker management pack installed in order for this to work. The Time Tracker management pack that we have available, which obviously is free, what this is doing is this adds the control to the forms. Well, since our Cireson portal doesn't leverage the same forms that the SASM console does, we really don't need this free tool. It comes with the portal out of the box. We just need to make the necessary customization. So let's go and make that customization. So I've logged on to my Cireson portal server here. And you can see here I've navigated into the custom space folder of my Cireson portal. Now, the custom space folder is where we're going to see all of our customizations. And the way we do form customizations is we add these incident.js or problem.js files, and we modify those files based on specific content. And that's how we make our customizations. So let me take a look at the incident.js. Oh, by the way, before I start with that, where you would get these form.js files, go to the root of the Cireson portal, go to scripts, go into forms, go into templates, and these are all the forms that you guys can customize. So here's my change request form, here's my incident form, and so on and so forth. Matter of fact, since I'm here, I'm going to be working with problems, so I'm going to copy the problem form over to my custom space. All right, so that's over. But first, I'm going to take a look at this incident.js because the incident.js already has the time control in it. So we're going to just take a peek and see exactly how that's done. All right, so this is Notepad++, and I've opened up the incident.js. And I'm going to go ahead and minimize some information here. So you can see here we break these out by tabs. So this is my general tab. Down here's my activities tab. Here's my related items tab. Here's my resolution tab. Here's my history tab, and then this is the default user form. I don't care about the default user form. Okay, so where I remember the time information was under this resolution tab. So let's take a look here. So the resolution tab here has my custom field group list, and under there I've got my resolution, as well as you can see here my timed work and billable time. And so that's really all I need is this bit of text right here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new tab. So what I'm going to do is actually just copy this whole thing. So I'm copying the whole tab from the tab open to the tab close. And let's go and edit my problem.js. So here's my problem.js. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to minimize these tabs. So it's much easier to work with. Okay, so what I want to do is I want to add this tab just before the history tab. So I'm going to just go ahead and put a space here, and then I'm just going to paste the code from the incident.js file. So here's my incident.js resolution tab. I'm going to rename this to time management. And I don't necessarily need my resolution information here, so I'm going to remove this. And that's it. So I've got my time worked billable time. So I just file save this. Go over back to my portal. Going to hit F5 to refresh. And these changes are immediate. So there's my time management tab. Click on that, and here is my timed work form. So here I could go and add additional time if I wanted to. 1 more hour and 5 minutes. All right, well, thank you very much for watching this video. Hopefully you can enjoy some of the other videos that we've posted on the portal customizations as well. Thank you.